you're having trouble with voice chat in Apex Legends, follow these steps to enable it and ensure it's working properly. Step 1. Check in game settings. Navigate to the game settings menu by clicking on the gear icon. From there, select the audio tab and ensure that the voice chat option is enabled. Step 2. Adjust voice chat volume. In the same audio settings menu, locate the voice chat volume slider. Make sure it is turned up high enough to hear other players clearly. Step 3. Set input device. Still in the audio settings, find the input device option. Ensure that your microphone is selected as the input device so that your voice can be transmitted to other players. Step 4. Test your microphone. Before jumping into a game, test your microphone to ensure it is working. You can do this by speaking into it and checking if the audio levels respond in the settings menu. Step 5. Restart the game. If voice chat is still not functioning, restart Apex Legends. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve any lingering issues with the game's audio settings. By following these steps, you should be able to enable and troubleshoot voice chat in Apex Legends. Enjoy your gaming experience.